Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic LibreCAD tutorial how to draw an arch. So if you want to draw arch, you can go to the freehand tools, click hold, and there are three options. You can create by center points and angles, the second from 3 points, and the last with arch tangential. So for example, I will use the center point angle. You can click for the center point. Click on the first position and you can create for the arch. Okay, the seconds we can create by using the 3 points. You can click first point, second point, and then third point. And the last we can draw by using the tangential. We can click on the arch and it will create the tangential in this arch object. Okay, that's it for basic LibreCAD tutorial how to draw an arch.